The man overboard signal is mounted and attached to a lifebuoy. Throw or release lifebuoy into the water. The lifebuoy pulls the MOB from its bracket. The signal emits lights and smoke automatically when it leaves the bracket. The MOB has separate ignition systems for light and smoke. Smoke is emitted for at least 15 minutes and light for minimum 2 hours. On a craft with less than 5 meters mounting height, the signal must be mounted inboard and manually released. Ensure the lifebuoy is attached to the man overboard signal. Pull the signal firmly away from the bracket. Important: immediately throw the MOB overboard.